Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now, update TikTok and unlock the device so settings apply correctly. Once done, open TikTok, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where sleep-related controls hide. You're preparing the app environment so changes stick, so don't skip the update or account check, because outdated versions or wrong accounts cause settings not to appear. You now navigate the middle. Open Settings and Privacy, then select Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time. Names vary by version. Locate Sleep Mode and any Screen Time Management toggles and switch them off. If Restricted Mode is enabled, turn that off too. If an access code or parental verification appears, enter it. This is why you needed the right account. Once you disable them, watch for confirmation messages. They tell you the app accepted the change, which prevents it from re-engaging automatically. Finish by restarting TikTok and your device to clear cached restrictions. This ensures the setting takes effect. After reboot, go back to Digital Wellbeing and confirm Sleep Mode remains off. If it re-enables, check for family pairing, screen time on iOS/Android, or another logged-in device enforcing limits. Unlink or adjust those. If problems persist, reinstall the app and repeat the steps, and if needed, contact TikTok support with screenshots. This usually resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.